Hey everyone, welcome back to the test server where today we're going to be continuing with our late game order deck. See if we can get this deck perfected before Waypoints is added to the live server, because this is just one of the all-time great decks. Or at least in the olden days. You know, it was strong with mangonels, but that no longer works mangonel, so we're building a new version. And this is what we came up with last time. So I'm going to be proving it in this video, hopefully, with some changes. So what changes do I want to make? I have a few. Squire is 1. It's a 2/2/3 for 2, which is good. But the Knight ability isn't as relevant as I had hoped I could make it be. Everything... Hang on, see if I can do this funkily. Type Knight. That's everything that's a Knight. So that leaves 1, 2, 3, 4 creatures that aren't Knights. It's not really enough, is it really? Still get cool synergy from Knight Sergeant if this is a Knight and Wing Shield, but I think we're going to get better value from a little old friend of mine called Ducal Infantryman. Where is he? Have I gone past it? No. There we go. Ducal Infantryman, effectively a 3/2/3, because it can give +2 attack to a row. So he's in. Going to be very useful. Now, what's also useful with Ducal Infantryman are skirmishers, because Relentless is a thing, and I think we're going to add in Ducal Skirmisher in place of Wings Captain. On its own, Wings Captains are probably a stronger creature, but Relentless ability we're going to be able to make use of quite a lot in this deck, with Vanguards going off. Quite often, seems like we've got Knight Sergeant, Tempo Theft, lots of countdown reduction going on, so we're going to give this a go. And then there was one more change I want to make, and that is Kabonk out for a Roasted Bee Potion. It's now a spell, no longer enchantment, which is good because it's not as overpowered as it once was, because having it stay around as enchantment was horrid. And that's a spell. That also means that it affects our blister, so we can still get away with that. And also having 11 countdown reduction spells in this deck could be insane. So that's the deck we're going to be using. We shall save that now. And then two things to mention. You may notice that there are in-game sounds. We're going to give that a go as well, because I'm now recording my audio through Audacity, so I'm recording things separately. So I can do editing and stuff, because I'm taking this seriously now. And yeah, we're going to give that a go and see if we make it work. And also, I've completely forgotten what the other thing was. I lie, I've just remembered. Someone in the comments suggested that I let the AI get a head start, or at least see if I can make this deck have a proper comeback. So if I give the AI, say, a 2 or 3 turn head start, we'll see if this deck can perform as intended by coming back into a game after ramping up and playing our blisters and stuff. We're still playing AI because no one's on here. I hope to get Colour Plant on, but we're going to do a stream together. But he seems to be nowhere to be found. So we're on our own again, but whatever. We can take our time with things this way. So yeah, let's play the game. Boom. Okay, so going first, and we're letting the AI have a few turns head start. So we're still going to mulligan, because that's important. Because we're mulliganing, or rather we're giving my head start, we are going to mulligan that hand, we get an Arbalista, which is going to be important. So, not going to sack for anything, we're going to give the AI 2 turns head start. Even if he doesn't play anything, the resources he gains is going to be putting us way behind. Okay, so 2 turns, head start. Let's see if we can do this. Aging Knight, Skirmisher. Getting a first creature down can be relevant. Let's plan our turn ahead. If I go Aging Knight now, that can give him something just to deal with on his own. I might get a focus and take out a few things, which is nice. Speed we're going to keep a hold of. Turn 5, Royal Skirmisher. Turn 6, Ducal Skirmisher. A couple of Knight Sergeants, that's nice. So I think we're going to get rid of a Royal Skirmisher here, because if he's Knight Sergeant, it's going to win us the game, hopefully. And we will go Aging Knight this turn. This way I can hopefully gain control of the middle. And and that should buy me some time. We get another Arbalister. I don't need two. So we'll get rid of the first one we had. And stay where I am. It's important we stay where we are. We don't need to go fighting him. He's going to come to us. Which means we start losing, so we're going to run away. Let's see if I can draw something nice. Focus is nice, so next turn if he moves down I can focus. So this is a case where I get rid of one Knight Sergeant, I guess then. Probably should have kept Oliver or Skirmish actually, but whatever, we're learning. Oh, that focus, that languid is relevant, damn it. I could focus to take out this, or I could duple Skirmisher. I can focus and roll Skirmisher, actually that's a better turn for play. So if I focus, it'd be nice if I got a dual infantryman, then I could take out the Cursemonger, but there we go, we'll go with this. I've just realised I've got the sound effects turned on very, very loud, so I can't hear myself speak when all these booms go off, so apologise if I suddenly raise the volume of my voice, because it's me trying to hear myself. So here we go. We want Knight Sergeants. Now where do we want him? Do we want him at the front or the back? The front! And we want him down here, because we are running away. So we are facing a lot of pressure here. And if we kept Raw Skirmish at the front, Cursemonger could ping it, so we don't want that. He's staying up there, that's nice. Okay, so Night Scholar, Arbalister. Night Scholar being on the field would be nice. I think we're going to keep Arbalister on the field. This way, countdown goes down, and if he does try and interact with me, I do have a way just by speeding this just to attack and kill things. Let's be on 3 countdown next turn, so I can kill that for once. This is attacking next turn for 4 if I do that though. Pother is a good draw. So we can get an input resources, that'd be nice. Oh, okay, so we can do this. Next turn we can make everything attack actually. Just speed this, that'll make this attack, that'll make this attack. Let's see what I can do. If I draw focus, that'd be amazing. Nardwell down already. He's got a Harvester, which is a bit of a pain. Speed with a Wing Shield is nice. We're going to get the Vanguard because I think I'm going to need the Knight Sergeant. Focused and another speed. Oh well. I got a Wing Shield speed. Speed for Wing Shield. This will then attack. 6, 9, half of 9 is 4. Because we're rounding down. So I can't take out that row. I think so. I need to take out these 3 creatures. And I'm having another speed next to it, which means I can make this attack as well. So I think I'm better off not setting this off this turn if I can avoid it. I do want to make this attack though. So I think we have a plan in just focusing this as the turn. This comes in for 6, 3, kills this, the focus kills this. Like that. Okay. But I got speed still, so that's insane. So we'd probably get Arbalister attacking 2 turns in a row after this. Kill. This has to move up here. Getting another Knight Sergeant down is going to be good, because then I can reduce this guy's countdown even more next turn. And this will be attacking because it's a Knight. Okay. We'll also manage to keep Harvester's countdown low enough. Brain Lice. And Rot Eater. I'll just point out another thing. Field of the Verdant, the growth unique, it gets buffed per number of enchantments that you control. Okay, so a few things I just want to point out here. Brain Lice counts as 2 enchantments, because you've got the Brain Lice itself and the poison, which somehow, for some reason, they've decided to make it count as an enchantment. So Field of the Verdant will get +2 attack from that. And I would consider you don't control a Brain Lice. I would say your opponent controls a Brain Lice because he played it and it's not to your benefit. But might be being a bit picky. Anyway, we've got to avoid this Harvester unless I want to kill it. So we can sack Wing Shield here. We get an Honourable General. Taking out these 2 creatures seems to be beneficial. That'll mean this attack, so we don't want to be on this lane. But I do want Arbalist staying here. So that's a bit of a pain. Can't be avoided though, because I need to protect Rule Skirmisher. So that comes down here. Honourable General. So I would say it's looking pretty promising in the comeback department at the moment. Can improve resources next turn. That will make this attack, so I can kill this. There are 2 idols down. Necrogeddon next turn could kill me. Necrogeddon could kill me. Does the AI have Necrogeddon? We're going to assume it does. That is the correct thing to do. So we're going to get creatures down, and we're going to need to kill this. So we need to play a spell. Actually, I might just be able to win. Might just be able to win. Tempo Theft. Here, set everything off here. What's it? No, I can't. No way. 6, 7, 8, 9, 19. No, can't. Oh well, so we're going to have to go with a creature up here and a spell. Spell's unfortunate, actually. Although if we set this off this turn, is good because it's going to be reduced countdown by this next turn. So we're going to go Wing Shield up here. And the spell I'm going to play is called Tempo Theft. Tempo Theft between these two. Get some damage in here for no reason whatsoever other than I don't care. Seems fine. And then we're going to be moving up here as well. Actually, that was a bit thick. No, it's not thick. It's not thick at all. Apart from that should have been here. I didn't really think that through. This way, Honourable General goes off. Reducing this by 4 next turn. So just play 1 spell and it'll attack. Okay, so we've got Imperial Resources. This will start doing things. I still want to get more units up here if I can. So I think we're going to go with the Ducal Infantryman here. That means I could take out this and the Watcher. That way Necrogeddon won't kill me. And then we've got a Vanguard here, which is quite good. So we kill things that way. Vanguard can come in right behind the Wing Shield to make sure it... actually, probably should have played it in front actually. Minor mistake. You need to refine your strategy. That joke would have been better if you were playing Order and Mangonels. Oh well. Let's see. That's that thing. Roasted Bean Poach can make this move up. That's quite cool. But I think we're just going to Imperial Resources this turn. Save this from poison. Because for some reason poison is infinite. Keep all our countdown reduction because that's a fair thing. Next turn Arbalist and Tempo Theft is good. That can pop up there. So that's going off next turn. We want Vanguards being involved. So that will do. Oh yeah, we're going to kill it. I'm doing well. Doesn't matter actually. Everything goes off. Boom, boom. Up to some 1 countdown. Now, how do I want to set it off? I think the old Arbalista Tempo Theft play is going to be the thing here. This will also attack that way. I need 10 damage up here. That's 9. So that's not enough by the rules of maths. These are rules that I've become accustomed to using. Boom, boom. Yeah, we can just win this way, can't we? It's not as exciting, but it works. Ballista. Tempo Theft. That interaction doesn't change. So there you go. We came back from giving the AI a 2-turn head start. So that's pretty good, I guess. So yeah, I don't know if that proves we can come back, but it shows that knights are pretty darn strong. And I think the deck is actually pretty much complete, so I'm going to have to wait till for 2 things, because they are both relevant. There are 4 more order cards to come, 4 more of everything to come. So we'll see how those cards affect the deck. Because right now I think the deck's perfect, without knowing what the meta is. If Miracle Pudding is allowed to be a thing, we're going to need Lingering Spell Hate in the deck, for sure. So might even have to take out Tempo Theft. Actually, that doesn't sound right. Anyway, we might need to fit some stuff in. So, let me know what you think. What changes you'd make. If you want me to give AI like 5 turns, if you do, I will ignore you. And then, last on the list is, as you are aware, Mojang have advertised for a community manager for Scrolls, which is great, because hopefully this can be the start of Scrolls getting its act together and becoming as big as it deserves to be. I will be applying for the job. Hopefully I get it, because everything they've said is required to be doing and is needed, I'm doing already. And I think I can do an excellent job of it. So hopefully that will go my way. If not, then oh well. That's a shame. Move forward, and I shall support whoever gets the position. It'll be interesting to see who gets it. Could be someone outside of Scrolls, could be someone within the community. I think it'll probably be someone within the community. But yeah, exciting times for everyone. So, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And yeah, I shall see you next time. Goodbye.